Today, take a look at the MAIWO NVMe hard drive adapter. This is a nice round puck style. We do have a rubber grip on the bottom, so you don't have to worry about that sliding around. And one thing that makes this one stand out is actually there's a power button on it. Most of these adapters like this, you have to make sure that you unplug it, then plug the drive in, then plug it back in. With this one, you can actually turn it off, then plug the drive in, then just turn it back on. That way you don't have to worry about plugging and unplugging from the laptop every time. And this is a USB-C plug. So if we turn that on, okay, we do have a blue light on there, and it picked that up right away. We are reading those files, so let's do a speed test. Okay, so we are looking at 10 gigabit per second speed, so for sequential 1 megabyte, 8 process, 1 thread. We got 1061 on the read, 1040 on the write. For sequential 1 megabyte, 1 process, 1 thread, we got 8818 and 851. Random 4K 32 process, 1 thread, we got 263 and 307. For the random 4K 1 process, 1 thread, we got 40 and 79. So this is 10 gigabit per second speeds. So if you're looking for an adapter so you can take the hard drives that you got laying around and plug them in and find out what's on them, this is going to be an excellent tool for that. And plus the fact that this actually has a power button so we can turn that thing off so we don't have to keep on unplugging it, that makes this, in my mind, an excellent little adapter. So I am very happy with that.